One of the first misconceptions that we have is that food studies will be like about cooking noodles in a stall. It's way beyond this. We are really looking at complex issues relating from genetical matters up to very cultural matters, political matters, and there are interconnections between these different levels. Second misconception, this tendency to think about food studies as actually food science, and it's two different areas in science. Food science will be more like lab-based, relying on scientific principles, food production, food processing, preservation. In food studies, we are relying on social sciences. That means that we are doing like some participant observation. We may actually go to the Passer Malam, interact with the stall owners and get actually some understanding from there about actually the type of interactions that we will get with them. This research component is a way to apply certain knowledge that you would have acquired during the program.
On développe, dans le cadre de la chaire, Food Studies, Food Culture and Health, on développe des enquêtes nationales sur des échantillons représentatifs en Malaisie, en Indonésie, mais aussi une enquête extensive sur les mouvements d'alimentation entre le foyer, en dehors du foyer, sur 7 pays en Asie, le Japon, la Chine, Hong Kong, Singapour, Malaisie, Indonésie. Ces baromètres permettent de comprendre comment le petit déjeuner des Malaisiens est une mise en scène de la multiculturalité. Comprendre comment on a pu, dialoguant avec le ministère du Tourisme et de la Culture, réfléchir d'un dépôt de dossier à l'UNESCO à partir du Nasi-Lemak vers le petit déjeuner des Malaisiens, symbole, mise en scène de la multiculturalité malaisienne.
We are in partnership with University of Toulouse in France.
Et ce partenariat se concrétise de la façon suivante. D'enseignants de Toulouse viennent pour délivrer des contenus, des cours.
We have also a global immersion field trip, which is happening in Europe and more specifically in France, where students get actually to understand the organization of the food system over there.
Et ils vont visiter des institutions, des entreprises, lieux de production de vins, de différents produits.
With food studies, people can come from anthropology, sociology, humanities at large, marketing, communication. We have some other trajectories from people in hospitality, tourism, culinary arts, criminology, nutrition, as well as agriculture, sustainability. We will have opportunities which are very much related to food and beverage businesses as well as market analysis, possibility in regulatory affairs, quality assurance. We have also possibilities out there which are beyond the food industry itself. This could be, for example, food journalism, policy analysis, as well as museum and heritage works or curation. Food studies is still nurturing in the region, so this is something which is pretty unique that we are offering in Taylor's. We can say that Taylor's University is a pioneer in food studies in Asia, especially when it comes to English taught programs.